So let's just get right into it. Today, we're diving into exactly why endlessly chasing individual product sales is completely failing you and what the true modern blueprint for digital wealth actually looks like. If you're exhausted and want to finally break through your income ceiling, you're going to want to pay very close attention to this one. Listen, are you trying to sell everything to literally everyone, but all you're hearing is crickets? It's an incredibly common trap. So many creators and entrepreneurs feel like they're just constantly hustling, constantly churning out new things, and making zero progress. But here's the reality check. The problem isn't your product. Not at all. It's obscurity. It's a complete lack of focus. You don't have a product problem. You have an audience problem. You're trying to sell before anyone even knows who you are. So here's our blueprint for today. We're going to cover 1, the true brand foundation, 2, systems over individual products, 3, ebooks and digital courses, 4, the power of community, 5, AI agents and apps, and 6, one simple unifying strategy. All right. Step 1, the true brand foundation. Prioritizing know, like, and trust. Think about it. Without a brand, you have absolutely zero audience to sell anything to. We operate in a trust economy now. Yet what do most people do? They jump straight to step 3, sales, and they do it with absolutely no brand awareness. But when you prioritize step 1, the brand, before you even think about driving sales, you give yourself a massive, unfair advantage. You build that essential trust. And you know what happens? The marketing and the sales basically take care of themselves. Suddenly, step 4, delegation becomes a breeze because top talent actually wants to work for a brand that commands authority in the market. Moving right along to number 2, systems over individual products, building the architecture. Now that we've got our brand foundation locked in, we need to completely rewire our mindset. We have to stop hustling products and start engineering true leverage. The name of the game is building systems over selling individual items. A true system works for you 24/7. It shatters those frustrating income ceilings so you can actually make way more money while working significantly less. I love this acronym, SYSTEM, saving yourself time, energy, and money. You want an architecture that consistently pulls buyers in 365 days a year, not just some one-off launch that relies entirely on you burning the midnight oil. Get this. A recent Google study revealed that it takes an average of 7 hours for a consumer to make a purchasing decision. 7 hours. That's almost an entire workday. So what does this tell us? It proves the absolute necessity of long-form evergreen content like YouTube. You need a space where people can spend deep, focused time with you, absorbing your expertise so that trust naturally compounds over time. Because of that 7-hour rule, you have to stop acting like a pure entertainer just hoping to go viral. Everyday content creators are out there chasing vanity metrics, begging for views, and hoping for a few bucks in ad revenue. Forget that. You need to become a contentpreneur. Think like a business owner. Use an evergreen distribution engine to funnel actual targeted buyers directly into that carefully built system we just talked about. Number 3, ebooks and digital courses, the info assets. All right. With our architecture and our mindset fully in place, let's plug some actual digital products into the system. Ebooks, they are the absolute perfect low-friction way to invite someone into your world. They give your audience a quick win, and they build trust incredibly fast. Then you have structured courses. These are what deliver those deep, life-changing transformations that people will happily pay a premium for. They provide the exact step-by-step framework. And hey, a quick pro tip here. The length of your book or your course literally does not matter. The only thing your customer cares about is the result. So make it as punchy and concise as possible while still delivering on that promise. But here is where the true magic happens. Amateurs focus all their energy on making a quick buck on the front-end sale. Experts, they do something entirely different. They leverage these entry-level info products simply to acquire a customer and then make their real money on the back end. That's right. The real wealth comes from back-end upsells, cross-sells, and order bumps. That is how you scale like an absolute pro and dramatically skyrocket your revenue without constantly having to hunt down brand new customers, which brings us to number 4, the power of community connection as a product. As we move up the value chain, our third digital product taps into a massive, unavoidable shift in the market. The reality today is that people are absolutely desperate for connection and accountability. Information is everywhere, right? But community, that's rare. The more analog you can stay in our highly digital world, the more successful you'll be. Having a community keeps you in this beautiful, constant feedback loop with your buyers. It completely replaces guessing what I think people want with the absolute certainty of what I know people want. Built on what we call the triple C's, course, coaching, and community, this model will massively increase the lifetime value or LTV of your customers. Look, when you just sell individual products, it's like pushing a giant boulder up a massive hill only to wake up on the first of the month at absolute zero, starting the agonizing hunt all over again. No thanks. Building a community, that builds stairs. You hit a revenue plateau and boom, that becomes your new floor. The crucial takeaway here is that a community model compounds your revenue, meaning you never ever have to start from zero again. Number 5, AI agents and apps, the tech assets. Let's unpack the 4th and 5th digital products. These are dominating the market right now because the future of digital products isn't just information anymore. It's implementation. People want tools that just do the heavy lifting for them. We're talking about custom GPTs, apps, and SaaS products. By taking your unique lived experience, your actual intelligence, and brain dumping it into an AI wrapper or software, you're creating highly scalable automated tools. And the crazy part, because of modern AI, you don't even need to know how to code to build these things. You can sell them as recurring subscriptions or bundle this tech directly into your courses to instantly justify a premium price tag. But let me pause and ask you a serious question. What good are these incredible tech and information assets if you have no distribution engine to actually showcase them? It's the classic if a tree falls in an empty forest dilemma. If nobody knows you exist, you literally don't have a business. And that leads us to number 6, one simple unifying strategy, the execution blueprint. So here we are at the final section. We're going to take everything we've just covered about brand foundations, building systems, and these 5 digital products and distill it down into a foolproof blueprint. The absolute biggest mistake you can make right now is trying to juggle 50 different things at once. Complexity kills execution. You have to unite your content and your product into a single laser-focused strategy. One niche, one specific audience, one digital product, and one clear transformation. That is the only way you break through all the noise online. To wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this absolute golden rule. Simple scales and fancy fails. Build less things better. Stop juggling. Narrow your focus right now. Prioritize building your brand system over desperately chasing those individual sales, and choose just one of these tiny digital products to scale your business into 2026 and beyond. So my final question for you to chew on is this. Are you going to keep burning yourself out trying to sell everything to everyone? Or will you choose your one tiny product and start building your true digital leverage today? Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're ready to take your digital product sales to the next level, I have something truly exciting to share with you. Lead Creator AI is designed to revolutionize the way you connect with your audience and boost your online sales effortlessly. Imagine having a powerful tool that not only understands your business needs, but also helps you create targeted leads that convert. This is your chance to see it in action and discover how it can transform your sales strategy. I invite you to watch the exclusive demo presented by the founder of Lead Creator AI. This is more than just a product demonstration. It's a glimpse into the vision and passion behind the technology. The founder shares insights on how Lead Creator AI is tailored to help you achieve the success you've been striving for. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your existing digital product sales, this tool provides smart automation, lead generation, and customer engagement strategies that work seamlessly. The demo will show you how easy it is to integrate Lead Creator AI into your current workflow, saving you time and increasing your revenue potential. It's designed to be user-friendly so you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing products. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your business. Watching the demo is the first step toward unlocking the full potential of Lead Creator AI. You'll see real examples of how it can help you attract more customers, nurture leads, and close sales faster than ever before. The success stories from users just like you are inspiring and prove that with the right tools, your digital products can reach new heights. Take a moment now to click the link below and start your journey to greater success.